And what these are moth traps that have a pheromone attractant built in. So the attractant's basically for an Indian meal moth or any types of grain moths that might get into your pantries and, you know, cause havoc, they could easily eat bread and grains and things like that, and then they lay larvae in there. What this is actually pesticide-free, odorless, and easy to use. And let's just look at one. I'll show you. It's a pack of 6, by the way. The other ones I put already in the house, but I'm getting ready to put another one. So I figured I'd do a quick video for you guys and show you exactly how they work. This is not a glue board. So this is not exactly a glue board, even though it looks like it. Well, it kind of smells like a glue board, but it does have a pheromone attractant on it. You've got a little bin spot right there. I recommend this for any kitchens out there. Just kind of stick it away somewhere inside the pantry, on top of the refrigerator, somewhere like that, that maybe a moth will be kind of going to, and it's got a little spot where you could hang it, so you could easily hang it, or it's flat to just set like that. Let me go ahead, put this one up in my kitchen, and then we'll let it set for a few days, and then I'll come back and see if we caught one, because you know what, grain moths can definitely cause a lot of trouble in your grain. So let's go ahead and set this up now. Okay, everybody, it's been a couple of days here, and I put it right up here in my kitchen, and looking in there, well, you can see we definitely have a little moth in there. I don't know how well you can see, but one little dot in there. I think this thing works great. That's all I got today on the, you know, moth traps with pheromone added. Extra strength pheromone. See you on the next video.